Welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu that slides lower and nearly gives up all its gain from Powell last night. But before we dive deeper into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on all the trends, and follow us at fxstreet.com cryptocurrencies to get all the headlines you need on cryptocurrencies and the current economic events. In the meantime, sorry, Shiba Inu on the down foot, the back foot, sorry, 3% down for the day, roughly near 14, flirting with the 1400 handle here, and that comes after a mild positive day of just 2%. So in the meantime, 1.5 already to the downside. Seems to be picking up a little bit in the last few minutes. So bounce here on the monthly R1 resistance level. So we shot through, came back for support, that held. Price tried to bounce, but still closed on a negative number here as well. Now a positive one, but that won't be enough to snap this this losing streak, or to break this losing streak. So I expect to see a further downturn, and then we have this green ascending trend line here, which we had marked up here, shot through here a bit better, but you can see the bodies of the candle were unable to firmly get above there each time, and we had to wait until this big candle on over the weekend, the first weekend of February, to really break above it. So yeah, that's a bit of a, and that's as good as the good news goes, because now it's only getting worse, because all in all, the speech from Powell, although markets initially perceived it as dovish, if you look at it, he's actually just saying that we will keep hiking, don't expect any cuts, and it could well be that we keep hiking for longer, and why not maybe even throughout the year, because one of the big elements in inflation, and sometimes markets are forgetting that a little bit, is that one of the elements in inflation, for example, energy prices, oil, and oil this week is up for the week, and we are flirting with the $80 handle after being trading roughly on the downside of 70, flirting with the $68. So it's back up quite a few percentages. And that's a big risk, of course, looking forward to that. If we look at crude, we will see that at the moment extending gains further conviction. So could well be that we see oil further upwards for the coming weeks, and that would mean that then that inflation will not drop but could climb. And that's a big issue for markets, because that means tighter monetary policy, tighter financial conditions in the financial markets, and that means for cryptocurrencies a downward move. So expect, once this breaks, the green ascending trend line to come in, and if that breaks, then the road is open to drop all the way back to this 1100 level. Very nice level here with the monthly pivot and the 200-day moving average, which has been showing his relevance in January, not so much in the past few months, but here it certainly counts for. And if that doesn't work, then we still have the fail-safe system here with the 55-day moving average, which has been quite significant, seeing from the clean tests and closes above and below. So I would set my eye on this area here. So expect a further decline of, if we quickly measure that, between 22 and 30% decline. So a lot of gains from January being pared back just because of tail risks, oil prices, Biden in his State of the Union calling out China, telling them that the US won't go it quietly. So it's something to keep an eye on all these economic and geopolitical events that are flaring up again in this second month of the year. To the upside, I'm a bit less positive to the upside, but still bounce grounded back to the 1500, and then possibly a double top to the R2. That's as far as I think it would go, because I would only see a follow through if the US dollar strength would abate. So that would mean that euro dollar should be shooting through 110, and only then I think we could shoot through this R2 and then R3. So look for the correlation there between the euro dollar and the cryptocurrencies or the risk assets, and for that matter, in order to pinpoint if this is a rally with more legs to the upside or rather to the downside. That's it for Shiba Inu for today. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.